1717 Council Bluff. The wood frame along the top and along the garage could use a repaint. We just recently successfully rented out a couple of properties in the same subdivision. There are some, you can see the wood frame all along here is looking a little rough. There are some blinds up, but I'm going to go ahead and count all of them as needing to be replaced because they don't all match and many are broken. So I counted 9 blinds. The floors are tile. You do have areas with cracks and chips. It's not unusual to see that in a house that's lived in. We have granite counters. The cabinets look like they were painted maybe not too long ago because they actually look pretty good, and they didn't paint the hinges and the poles look just fine, so that's nice. There's not a lot of counter space, and right now they're using a tiny little microwave over there, so we'll see what Jenny says about that. There's a little bit of gap here between the fridge and the top. So this is a great backyard. We have a tree for some greenery and the rocks and a patio cover. Concrete's already in place, plus a shed. So that's really great. I wasn't sure if there was a dog, so I was trying not to get too adventurous out here. Upgraded, new looking light, which is great, of course. So we have beautiful stone countertop. Cabinets look pretty good. And we have a cute little backsplash. We need to replace those light bulbs with some regular round ones. Sometimes the sellers take the shower curtains. You never know until they move out. The bathroom's fairly straightforward. Okay. Some storage here. So it looks like we have some built-ins in the closet, which is great. I definitely want to get some 2.5-inch forward blinds. Cool fan. Tiles look pretty good. Need to put a cover on the outlet. That's nothing too crazy. Stone light fixtures, mirrors, medicine cabinet, all of that looks good. This is interesting. This is a shower with a shower curtain without a tub. Oh, that's 10 blinds. I had missed that. Of course, there's the change in tile there. Oh, yeah. I went ahead and counted this vertical just in case. It's looking a little warped in a couple places, so maybe we can keep it. Maybe we can remove the cost at a later time. There's some paint spray on there, so we need to scrape that off. We have tile in the rooms. We have the 2.5-inch forward blinds, but they're a different color, and we'd probably want it all to match. So I went ahead and counted those as well. We'd want to rekey the garage door to match the front door, so you only have one key. Okay. A little cramped feeling here, but if the property manager is okay with it, then I am too. Okay.